Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by preparing the system and launching the diagnostic path. First, make sure Windows 11 has the latest cumulative updates installed. This avoids known sleep bugs. Next, disconnect USB peripherals and test sleep without them so you eliminate external wake sources. Once done, open Settings, go to System, then Power and Battery, and inspect sleep timeouts. Change them briefly to trigger a test. Also run the built-in power troubleshooter to catch simple configuration errors before moving to deeper changes. Now you'll perform the detailed fixes that usually resolve stubborn sleep issues. Open Control Panel's power options, edit your active plan, and change advanced settings. Set PCI Express link state, USB selective suspend, and sleep after values explicitly. Then open Device Manager, and under Network Adapters and USB Controllers disable, allow this device to wake the computer where appropriate. This prevents accidental wakes. Run powercug/requests and /lastwake to identify blocking programs, and powercug/energy to generate a report for driver. You're at the final steps. Reboot, then test sleep and resume twice to confirm behavior. If it works, leave settings for a day and reevaluate. If not, check Event Viewer under System for kernel power and power trace entries to pinpoint timestamps. Before doing registry edits, reset power plans with PowerCug Restore Default Schemes and retest. One key troubleshooting tip: update BIOS or UEFI firmware and chipset drivers early. Many sleep failures stem from firmware incompatibilities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.